Hello, my friends. Miss Toss is coming back. This week, I bring another niche products for your online shop stores. So, this is products, the vegetables choppers. So, you are curious why today I bring this product to you? Just keep watching. I will tell you why I bring these products. So, why today I bring the vegetable choppers today to you? Because the supplier is original of these products in the market from eCommerce.net. So these products have very good qualities compared with other fake or copy suppliers. And second, the Google trend you can see in the past 12 months has very stable Google search trend. And in the future, the trend goes up, which means more people is looking for these products on Google. And the third thing, you can see the screenshot here from the Summer Rush. The keyword vegetable choppers, the monthly searching volume is very high for global, especially India, UK, US, Australia, and so on. So the next reason is you can see if you do the SEO for these products, the vegetable choppers is really not difficult keyword by Summer Rush. You can see the screenshot here. And finally, these products is very high profit margins. Why? Because the product cost from eCommerce.net is $8 and the shipping cost from eCommerce.net to global is $15. So the total cost is $23. And you can see these products on your Shopify stores. Average selling price, I would like to say, is $33. So which means you have like $7 for net profit. And these products, the profit margin is like 30%. So it's really high profit margin products. Do you want to sell these products on your Shopify stores? Just leave the comments below and we will send the free samples to you. And if you like these videos, don't forget to press like and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. And Ms. Toss will keep delivering the new products and niche products to you. Bye.